Hello and welcome to today's MSAB Monday. I'm Adam Furman, Tech Evangelist here at MSAB. Today we're having a look at XRY and we're visiting something that some people might not be aware of that you need to include with your investigation plan for a mobile device. So here we are, we're at the main screen of XRY. You've just opened your exhibit bag and the first thing you're going to do is have a visual check of the device. Obviously, you've taken your photographs and next we're going to plug the device in. We plug the device in once we go to device extraction, and generally XRY is going to be extremely helpful and tell you what device you have plugged in. So we can then choose our option of what type of extraction we want to complete. But what happens if you get an error? If you get an error, there are several options available to you. And what we need to do is choose manually find devices and apps. And from here, we need to have a look at generic profiles. These are going to be your best friend. But for this, we need to know what chipset is in our device. Now, the easiest way I find is to go to GSM Arena. Once you've got the device details, you can simply search for that device in GSM Arena, and depending on your location, you're going to get a good idea of what chipset is running in your device. So all we need to do then is to come down and find the relevant generic chipset profile for that extraction. So if it's a Google Pixel, you could try the Pixel generic and so on. Once we've completed that, your chances of an extraction are going to have greater success. We hope that you've enjoyed today's MSAB Monday and can see the power of not giving up at your first attempt and looking for those powerful generic profiles. Thank you.